Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to star a PDF in Google Drive. Starring files is a fantastic way to keep your important documents organized and easily accessible. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, you can find it in your App Store. Once you have it open, you'll see all your files and folders neatly arranged. Next, you need to find the PDF you want to star. Scroll through your documents or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Once you've found the PDF, look for the three dots next to the file name. These dots represent more options for that specific file. Now click on those three dots. A menu will pop up with several options related to that PDF. Among these options, you'll see one that says Add to Starred. Click on this option, and just like that, your PDF is now starred. Starring a file is not just about marking it. It makes future access much simpler. To view all your starred files, look at the left-hand menu in Google Drive. You'll find a section labeled Starred. Click on it, and you'll see all the files you've marked with a star, including the PDF you just starred. If at any point you decide that you no longer need a file to be starred, you can easily remove it. Just go back to the Starred section, find your PDF, click on the three dots next to it again, and select Remove from Starred. This action will keep your starred section tidy and focused only on what's essential for you. In summary, starring PDFs in Google Drive is a straightforward process. Open the app, find your PDF, click on the three dots, and select Add to Starred. This simple step can significantly enhance your productivity by allowing quick access to important documents whenever you need them. Thanks for joining this quick tutorial. Now you're all set to organize your PDFs in Google Drive efficiently. Happy organizing!